A very good morning to one and all present over here. My name is Subhalakshmi Vera. Today we are going to have a panel discussion. So I am the anchor of the show and I am the media person. So here we are today we are having the conversation on BJP, BJD and Congress. So here we have the three members of that party. So today Sai is performing the role of BJD.
Thank you.
And Rajalakshmi is performing the role of BJP, and Deepak is performing the role of Congress. And here is Susan sir, the leader of BJD party. So now, so here we are having the Sai, who is performing the role of OTV News, and here is Pratik, who is performing the role of who is playing the role of NDTV. So now let's start the conversation.
Okay.
So now I will give the chance to Pratik sir, who will ask the question.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving me a chance to ask some questions.
Okay.
So, first question I am going to ask to Congress sir. I want to ask that if they were having the rule on India in the past time when British was there, so that was only single party, but now there are many parties and Congress cannot have part, but they are not finding the chance to have a part. So why this is going on? Please tell me.
Thank you for giving me a honorable chance to asking and giving the answer to you. That there in the 1980s time there is only one party and the India is not very modernized, but in now early time India is very modernized and the new British party new parties are founded like BJP, BJD. They are only the leading party, but I want to tell that before 1980s the Congress is the major party ruling over the India. Thank you.
हिंदी थी मिसा मजा ले लो सही
So, thank you, Pratik sir, for giving this mic to me so that I will ask a question. First of all, I would like to ask the Narendra Modi sir that you are tell that Subhadra Yojana now all the Odisha ladies will get 50,000 rupees, but they are not now getting that. And your people that Mohan Maji sir has spent 50 crore rupees on painting on bus. So why they are doing like this? And by this, many amount of money are destroyed.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Because we are not giving the money to of Subhadra Yojana because when some people come to the private hospital, they are not giving the money and telling they will give after, but they are not giving after. But some people give, so that's why we don't give the Subhadra Yojana money. Thank you.
Sir, what about the 50 crore rupees that Mohan Maji sir had spent on coloring the bus?
Can you repeat?
So what is the thing about the 50 crore rupees that is spent by Shri Mohan Maji sir to coloring the bus? That is only fulliness work.
Because it is necessary because he need to color the bus because he is the CM. He need, that is why he spent 50 crore rupees.
But it is a very fulliness work. So so he is a full or what of Odisha?
No, he need to, because he is necessary to do that work.
if ma'am he want to color the bus for why by the before that why not he bring the buses for it?
Again.
Yeah, before coloring the buses, why he use the buses of Sri Naveen sir, and why he don't bring the buses for the BJP party?
Please, I'll discuss about this topic to my management. After that, I will.
I will discuss about this topic after the management.
Okay, thank you for your answer.
Thank you, Sai sir, for giving me the mic. Now I will ask the question to Naveen Patnaik sir.
Okay.
So, sir, why it is happened that you are doing the politics since 25 years, and you have done too much of development in Bhubaneswar, and now in 2024, why you lose the vote, and why people are not giving to vote to you, and now people are regretting that. Why?
Because before time people are vote to me, I do everything, I change the whole Odisha. Now when I was elder and I was the oldest people, for that the Pandyan is come to Odisha, and he tell to me after I lost the match, he will manage the Odisha.
So, sir, why you did that? Because of him, you have lost the vote, and he also told the promise in that assembly that after if you will lost the vote, he will take the sannyas part. Why he left the Odisha?
He tell if I win the match, after he live in the Odisha. I lost the match, how he live in the Odisha?
No. Why he told this line that he will take sannyas? Why?
I give to that permission.
He shouldn't do that. He should know that you can win or you can lost also.
What?
You can also win and you can also lost in their vote.
Again.
Sir, I want to ask that if he should also know that you could also win and you could also lose the match.
How?
He has that much of confidence. Our party will be known.
Our party will be on the match. He know that because before 25 years I win the match.
Because he shouldn't be the overconfident person.
No.
Okay, thank you. Next, sir.
I must thank to Miss Subhalakshmi to hand over the mic to ask some questions. That I want to ask the question again to the Congress sir that you lost. तो आप तो हार गए इलेक्शन. मोदी जी ने आपको कमेंट्स भेजा, उसको इग्नोर क्यों नहीं किए? अगर उसको इग्नोर करते तो आपके मन में ही कुछ नया सोच आता. ये तो गवारगिरी चल रही है. प्लीज गिव मी द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन.
अगर मैं आपको अभी कुत्ता बोल दूं तो चलेगा? अगर मैं आपको अभी कुत्ता बोल दूं तो चलेगा?
अगर मैं आपको चूहा बोल दूं तो चलेगा?
वैसे नरेंद्र मोदी सर ने मेरे को बोला आपके पार्टी धर जाए, तो मेरे को कैसे चलता?
उन्होंने बोला तो आपको इग्नोर करना चाहिए था.
मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ. अगर आपको कोई अभी कुत्ता बोल दे तो चलेगा क्या?
अगर मेरे को कोई कुत्ता बोलेगा तो बोलेगा, मैं क्यों उसकी बात सुनूंगा? मैं तो एक कान से घुसा के दूसरे कान से निकाल दूंगा. इसमें मेरा क्या?
आप अभी बोल रहे जाके बाहर फाइट करेंगे. आप मर्जी का, आप ही खुद ये बातों में विश्वास करते हैं, फिर मेरे को बोलते हैं मैं इग्नोर क्यों नहीं किया.
वो तो आपकी गलती है. वो आपकी गलती है.
मेरे आपकी गलती समझिए, फिर मेरी गलती बोलिए.
भाई देखिए, आप भी वही गलती कर रहे हैं. जो मेरे को जो करने को बोल रहे हैं वो चीज आप भी कर रहे हैं. वो गलती आप भी कर रहे हैं. अगर वो पहले अगर चला ये थे, एक पार्टी था सिर्फ, उस टाइम तो भाई एक पार्टी काम चलाना पड़ता था। अभी तो तीन पार्टी से, तीन या चार पांच पार्टी हो चुके हैं, तो उसमें आपको खुद का कॉन्फिडेंस दिखा के जीतना है। ये क्या चल रहा है? ये गवारगिरी चल रही है, ये धर्मशाला है।
मैं बोला हूँ कि मैं जीतूंगा, अन्य आते हैं इस समय। तो मैं अभी बोल रहा हूँ आपको, आपने बोला ये गवारगिरी चल रहा है। ये राजनीति तुम लोग के जैसे मीडिया वालों के जैसे काम नहीं होता। ये राजनीति बड़े नेताओं का काम होता है।
तो आपका छोटे नेता ने बोला है।
तो आप बोल रहे हैं, आप बोल रहे हैं, भाई बोल रहे हैं, मैं आपसे कितना बड़ा हूँ?
आप 1-2 साल का तो डिफरेंस होगा ही। 1-2 साल का डिफरेंस, उसमें क्या होता है भाई? देखिए, हम मीडिया वाले हैं और आप नेताजी हैं, वो अलग बात है। उसमें तो पॉलिटिक्स तो नहीं घुसता है। और आपने जो कल भी बोला था कि एक छक्के ने वर्ल्ड कप नहीं जीता है, वो काहे का पॉलिटिक्स है? ठीक है, गवारगिरी चल रही है, धर्मशाला तो नहीं है भाई। देखिए, आप धर्मशाला कर रहे हैं पॉलिटिक्स को।
आप जो धर्मशाला मेरे को बोल रहे हैं, पहले तो आप ही शुरू किया था धर्मशाला। इस जाति में धर्म कौन लेके आया? हिंदू धर्म, मुस्लिम धर्म कौन लेके आया था?
वो तो आपकी पार्टी का।
वो तो क्या मुंह बंद होगी? पहले क्या बोल रहे थे? नरेंद्र मोदी सर ने मेरे को जो कमेंट भेजा, वो उनका मर्जी है, वो मेरे को कमेंट भेजा। आप कौन होते हैं मेरे पर्सनल मैटर में घुसने के लिए?
और आप कौन होते हैं उनके कमेंट्स को सुन के खुद ही डिप्रेशन में पड़ने के लिए?
अरे आपको क्या बात भाई, उन्होंने मेरे को भेजा, मैंने उन पर रिएक्ट किया, तो आप कौन होते हैं?
देख, आप प्राइम मिनिस्टर पर रिएक्ट किए, वो छोड़ दिए। वो अगर आप जीत सकते हो इलेक्शन, तो जीतते क्यों नहीं हो? जीतो।
तो मैं आपको मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, इस बार कांग्रेस सिर्फ 25 वोट से ही आ रहा है, ना कि 100-150 वोट से आ रहा है।
25 वोट हो, वो 50 का तो आधा है। देखिए, सिर्फ 4% है 100 का।
हाँ,
देखिए, और ये 100-150 तो वो अलग बात है, ये 25 वोट अलग बात है। पर हारे, एक ही बात है ना भाई, हारे तो हारे भाई, हारे, वो एक्सेप्ट तो कीजिए।
हाँ, मैं हारता हूँ, पर मैं कोशिश करता हूँ। कोशिश करने वालों की कभी नाकामयाब नहीं होती।
तो आप तो अच्छा, तो आपकी कोशिश हमें दिखाई क्यों नहीं दे रही है? ये काहे की कोशिश है?
अगर देखना चाहते हो तो दुनिया में भगवान बनिए।
कोशिश नहीं दिखाई देती है। आप एक दिन मेरे जगह पर बैठिए और आप मेरे कुर्सी पर आप कोशिश करिए 1 साल। क्या आप इलेक्शन जीत पाते हैं या मैं इलेक्शन जीत पाता हूँ? देखिए,
चलेगा, बिल्कुल चलेगा। अगर एक ऐसा लीडर खुद अपने पार्टी के लिए इलेक्शन नहीं जीत सकता, तो वो खुद ही क्या कर सकता है? खुद तो मीडिया वाला बन जाएगा।
मैं एक ऐसा लीडर हूँ जो अपने कुर्सी के लिए इधर नहीं बैठा, लोगों के लिए इधर बैठा है। मैं अपने कुर्सी को भेज देता हूँ कि आप इधर बैठिए और चला के दिखाइए दुनिया को।
और मेरे कुर्सी की बात नहीं कर रही। और एक कंट्री में सिर्फ एक पार्टी चल सकता है, एक पार्टी दुनिया को नहीं चला सकता। अगर आप दुनिया को चला सकते हो, चलाइए, आपकी मर्जी।
तो मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, आप बोले एक पार्टी नहीं चला सकता, अभी तो बीजेपी सारे दुनिया को चला रहे। वो क्या एक पार्टी नहीं है? वो 2 पार्टी है।
और कांग्रेस तो 2 पार्टी है भाई। इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस है क्या? ये कांग्रेस है क्या?
हाँ, INC है क्या? कांग्रेस है क्या? क्या बोलते हैं आप? कहाँ से पढ़ के आते हैं ये सब? फालतूगिरी का काम करते हैं इधर।
Okay, next question.
हम पढ़ के आते हैं किताब से। आप क्या गोबर से पढ़ के आते हैं क्या?
तो आप मेरे घर में आइए और मेरे से बात करके जाइए, और मैं आपको मुंह पे अभी पैसे मारूंगा। जाके ये सवाल वो नरेंद्र मोदी सर से पूछिए।
पैसे पॉलिटिक्स का ही मोह है। जो पैसे में त्याग रहता है, वो काहे की पॉलिटिक्स करेगा? काहे का दुनिया चलाएगा?
पहले तो आप पॉलिटिक्स शुरुआत किए। कौन नीचा दिखाता है नीची जाति को? पहले तो आप पॉलिटिक्स शुरू किए, फिर मेरा नाम दे रहे हैं।
Okay, next question, please, Pratik. Thank you. Pratik.
Thank you, Pratik, for handovering this mic to me. So now I will ask this question to Sri Narendra Modi sir. So Narendra Modi sir. Sir, you are leading now whole India. And in all states you have your same. But in Odisha, why only you choose the Sri Mohan Maji sir, not anybody else?
Because thank you for your awesome words. Because I choose him because he will manage the Odisha and also help to the poor peoples and give money to them, foods and clothes and other things, etc.
So now, sir, I can also see that in Odisha he is doing nothing. He is only doing the coloring of buses, buildings, and etc. And in it there is only Adivasi colors and the Adivasi photos only.
No, because he will do because he is new now. So after 5 to 10 years, then he will do.
So I want to tell you, sir, that the election in CM, the CM will be only for 5 years old, not 10 years old. And sir, you are telling that he will give money. He is not giving that also, and he want to make Odisha the Adivasi state.
No,
I think so.
I told her he is new. He will give.
So sir, he is new. So why you tell Mohan Maji only? Why don't tell anybody? Because from Mohan Maji there is also many experienced people in Odisha who can manage the Odisha state and develop all the things.
He can manage well than other people. So I choose him to manage the Odisha.
But now, 1 year has gone and no development has done by him, and he is only doing the coloring of us and spending money, and by this he is also doing the caste thing and playing badminton with only Assam scene.
Because it is only 1 year. Just wait and watch for 2 to 3 years.
So 2 to 3 years.
Yes.
We have given vote for to get the good things after 2 to 3 years. We should get those things after 1 year or after 6 months only. Why we get the things after 2-3 years?
I will tell you later.
Sir, in first question, you have told that I will tell you later, and now also you are telling later. How you became the PM of the India? Please tell me, sir. Please tell.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Sai sir, for giving me the mic. Now I will ask the question to Navin Patnaik sir. So, sir, you tell me why Pandian came to Odisha and you kept him as your bodyguard, and he destroyed the whole Odisha, and because of him you lost the vote, and people are also hating you now. Why?
When he destroyed the whole Odisha,
When he is
he helped the poor peoples with me. He managed the whole Odisha with me. For that he come from other state.
He came from other state and he is not belonging to this state. And
I called to that people and he come to my Odisha.
don't tell lies, sir. You are old age people. Why are you telling lie?
I am
He
oldest
came-
people.
Yes, you are. And he came from his own.
No, I called to Pandian.
No, he didn't came.
I called to Pandian.
No.
No. Please ask my managers are sitting here.
No.
Please
Don't tell lies, sir. You are old age. Why are you telling lie?
if you don't believe on me, so please ask on my members.
Please say why he.
I don't know anything about BJD. I am Congress.
Ma'am, sir, please tell this reason.
I called to that Pandian and after he come to my house.
Why other media telling that he come off his own?
I don't know why you are calling to me in the bad manner.
You are also talking to us in a bad
You
manner.
are in the lowest of me.
Don't tell lie because.
Silent, very silent. Silent.
I thank to Subha Lakshmi ma'am to give me a chance to ask some questions. I will ask to Congress sir that that he is telling that we created a dharamsala. Every human created a dharamsala. That is the human's life. But why he is behaving so aggressively and he doesn't respect other parties? If he doesn't respect other parties, he cannot get vote for his parties. Why is this? Why is this going on?
I do not respect any parties because no one respects my party. I respect other parties.
Sorry to interrupt. If you will respect to other parties, respect will come automatically to you. Why are you not respecting other parties? It is not a dharamsala, okay?
If you will sit on my chair and no one is supporting you, you will supporting that person. No one is supporting to you.
Yes, I will. What you know?
You are telling lie.
You are also telling lie. If I am also telling lie, you are also telling lie.
Lie is the common thing. But humans are bad for the lie. Every human does lie. Like Narendra Modi sir doesn't lie. He tells that he will change the whole world. He will give the job to every person. Why doesn't give job to every person in the world? Why? Now the beggars are also in the road. Why? The peoples are not getting the per month salary. Why? The peoples are not engaging with the BJP. Peoples are voting to BJP and now they are crying in the home.
You told that every human lie. You are also a human, so you are also lying.
I accept that. I am telling lie. But you accept that you are telling lie.
Yes, I will accept. But you accept. You told that you will accept. But you are not accepting. Where is acceptation?
I have to tell one thing. भिखारी के हाथ लंगूर लग जाए तो ऐसे ही होता है.
और लंगूर अगर भिखारी बन जाए तो वो पूरा कपड़े से ही बाहर आ जाता है.
लंगूर भिखारी बने तो पहले तो लंगूर भिखारी नहीं बनता.
अगर आप ही बोले तो लंगूर को भिखारी बनाइए. लंगूर को भिखारी बना के दिखा दीजिए.
दिखाएंगे जो आप ही ने पिछले वाले में पैनल डिस्कशन में बोला था, जो अपने समय को मान्यता नहीं रखता वो भिखारी बन जाता है. तो आप इस बात को सोचिए कि आप इस समय को मान्यता ना रखे आप ही भिखारी बन गए.
और आप अगर कुछ भी वोट नहीं जीतोगे तो आप भी अपने समय को त्याग करके आप भी भिखारी बन जाओगे.
एक मनुष्य का पहले होता है उसका योग्यता, जो कि हर किसी में नहीं होता, जो कि मेरे में होता है.
जो कि हर किसी में नहीं होता तो आप में कैसे हो जाएगा? आप में कैसे होगा? दिखाइए.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pratik sir, for handovering this mic. Now I will ask this question to Shivaji Naveen Patnaik sir. So, sir, after you lose the election, why you have gone to Delhi, and you are and your Pandian and your teammates like Pandian have also gone to Delhi. And I would also like to ask that question, sir. If you have called Pandian and he came to Odisha, then you have also done the fraud with Pandian, that when Modi sir had given money to do the development of Sri Jagannath
Sorry, I
temple.
interject in
Sir,
your question.
Sir, I am
Before
sir, I
time
am
you
asking
are
question.
telling, before
Sir,
time
I
you
am
are telling
sir,
Narendra Modi do not do anything. Now why you are telling Narendra Modi do everything?
Sir, actually, I am telling the before time of Narendra Modi, not telling the now to today's time.
Why?
Why not?
Why before the question you are telling
Sir, why
to
not?
Narendra Modi
Sir,
he
why
do not
not?
do anything, I do everything. But now in my question
Sir,
I don't do anything. and you do everything.
Sir, actually we are media. We can ask anything to
Why?
everybody.
So we are the political members. We do everything.
So
We do everything.
Okay, sir. I will tell you on the
You do. You are media members. So you do everything. So we are political members. So we do everything. Also,
Sir,
I was managed the whole
Yeah,
office, so
sir,
I do
I-
everything.
Sir, then I have
If I have some
Sir,
permission to, I also kill you.
Sir, you will kill me.
Yes.
Sir, now you kill me. Sir, I will show how what I can do.
Now is the video is open, so for that I will don't kill you.
Sir, I can kill you here now only.
My members are sitting here. Why you? When?
Your member will support you. Your thinking member will support you.
Yes, supporting me. From 25 years, every people's whole Odisha, whole state will support to me.
Sir, okay, sir. For
Who is support to you? First of all, tell me.
all India.
All India. Who? Which people is support to me? My members are sitting here. Soyam sir, Pawan sir, Susan sir, Rajalaxmi, Subalaxmi, Pratik, everyone is support to me because I am the
And sir, I want to tell you also that all are watching OTV. So if
you are the congressman. You are
I am Congress, I am media, and I am OTV, and ask every people that every people are seeing OTV, and whole India is also seeing, like the people of
every
Assam,
year
Kerala.
I give the rice to every people, and then when I am giving the rice, why you are buying the rice by freely?
Actually,
you
sir,
are in the media.
Sir, actually, you know that I am not not buying your things. I am buying from the shop. Okay, by
That
giving
things
money.
are coming from me.
So that things are coming. Sir, please. That thing are coming to the shopkeepers, and that thing I am
They are buying
money.
from me and my store.
And I am buying from them their store. Okay.
They are buying from my store, so that things are mine. You buying my things, not any other thing.
Sir, actually, I am giving the money. So this is my thing only.
Money is come from me. I
Money
give to
comes
you.
from you.
I
Money
give
comes
you
from you.
money, and after that you buying the things.
You are giving us money. Then you are giving every people. So every people.
Yes,
will
I
be
give to
getting-
poor people's rice. If where are some people are living in the village, I
No,
give
no,
them
sir.
more bus. I will give
No,
to
no,
them.
sir. You are telling that you are giving us money. So if you are giving us money, then every people will get rich. Why poor people are there?
I support to every people, but Congress and Narendra Modi does not support. So what I do?
Okay.
Only I give my money, so whole Odisha will support to me.
Okay, sir. So I will now ask in Hindi. Sir, आप पैसे लाते हैं कहाँ हो? अपने घर से या फिर अपने सिटी से?
मेरे हिम्मत से मैं लेके आती हूँ.
हिम्मत से? अगर तो हिम्मत घर कहाँ है? हिम्मत सिटी कहाँ है? कहाँ है ये
हिम्मत तुम कहाँ से देते हो हिम्मत?
हम अपनी माँ से लेते हैं. तो
माँ से मैं किससे लेती हूँ? मैं भगवान से लेती हूँ.
भगवान से लेते हो? तो भगवान इधर है. अभी इधर भगवान से हिम्मत लेके
भगवान
देखो.
देते हैं तो अभी मैं यहाँ पे बैठी हूँ, आपको बोल पा रही हूँ.
और बोल पा रहे हो तो पैसे भी भगवान से लाते हो. तो पैसा भगवान कहाँ से लाते हो? और पैसा आपको देते कहाँ है? मन से देते हैं.
पैसा मेरे को होल दुनिया देता है, पूरा यूनिवर्सिटी मेरे को देता है.
तो आप क्या मांग मांग के लाते हो या फिर कमा के लाते हो?
मैं भिखारी नहीं हूँ जो मांग मांग के लाऊंगी तुम्हारे जैसा।
सर लेकिन आपको बोल दूं, मैं भिखारी नहीं हूँ कि मैं मांग मांग के नहीं लाता। मैं अपने बॉस से मांगता हूँ।
बॉस कौन? बॉस बनाता कौन है? बॉस बनाया कौन है?
क्योंकि उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया तो वो बॉस ही होगा।
बॉस बनाता कौन है? मैं बनाई थी, मेरा मेंबर
अपने तो
मैं बनाई थी, मेरा मेंबर बनाया। हाँ मैंने बनाया, हाँ मैंने बनाया। 2023 तो मैंने ही बनाया। मेरा पूरा नाम तब भी मेरी थी, तभी मैं थी, तभी भी मैं थी।
Thank you, Sai sir, for giving me the mic to ask the question. Now I will ask the question to Sri Narendra Modi sir. So sir, why have you chosen Mohan Chand Maji to become an CM, and now he is being hated by everyone, and he is only coloring the buses, and he has also developed the double decker bus. So what is the advantages of that?
Because all have to get one chance in the whole Odisha. All have to get the chance, not only the same people. So that's why Mohan Chand Maji also get the chance, because he is also a people in this Odisha.
So, sorry to interrupt. So he can speak Odia, Hindi and English properly, and he is saying that Bharat Jaguri India jitila. Why he said that? Because he didn't know Hindi, Odia and English.
All people are not same, so we can't see the languages and not make them the same.
He is devastating the state Odisha. And before the ex-chief minister, he is managing the whole Odisha very nicely. And Mohan Chand Maji can manage the whole Odisha properly, and he is a tribal people. So that's why he is also the pasting of pictures.
So what happened? He is a tribal people. So what happened? All have to get the chance now.
No,
only
because
the same people. Why? Only
because he is a tribal person and no one knew him, and other persons are also there to be a CM.
only the Odia people not go have to got the CM.
Because Odisha is famous for Odia.
Odia.
So why other language people will stay?
Tribal girl
How?
also, because he is living in Odisha na.
He can managing the Odisha properly. And his language is not also well. How?
Because he is a tribal people na. He is a tribal people, so
Pratik.
Please start. Sushant sir, who is speaking really good, please say their name. Okay. चलो आपको लेके मतलब क्वेश्चन करा.
You all are doing good, but Congress party रो ମାନେ ଯାହାର ସେ ରୋଲଟା ପଳେଇ ଆସୁଛି ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଯାହା ପାଖକୁ ଆସିବ ବୋଧେ ସିଏ ସମସ୍ତେ ଭଲ କରିବେ ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି, କିନ୍ତୁ କଂଗ୍ରେସ ପାର୍ଟି ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ସେଠି ବି ଆଉ ଏଠି ବି ଆମ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ୍ରେ ଦୀପକ ବହୁତ ଭଲ କହିଲେ. ମିଡ଼ିଆ ସାଇ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ.